Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dutch Sheet channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. And I've got a box, a rather big box, if I may say so. Yeah, that's what she said. Okay, so what we'll do today is a good old-fashioned unboxing. I ordered me this printer and it arrived yesterday actually, so I had to bide my time opening the box. But I haven't opened it yet. We'll open it together and see what we got. I'll tell you what I think, and that's it. Yeah, a real unboxing this time. I will be doing more videos about this printer, but today we'll see what we got. Here we go.
You serious?
Alrighty guys, let's first actually assess this box. There's a little bit of damage over here. I ordered it from the European warehouse, in case you are wondering. I am in Europe, obviously. Dutch RC, the Netherlands, but other than that, and I'm assuming that the parts of the printer will be wrapped in foam or something, so that damage to the box shouldn't matter at all. So let's make some incisions. Exciting, exciting. I genuinely hadn't opened the box yet, so... Alright, yeah, there's some packing foam, yay. And we get ourselves a... what? Something about the print head. I will actually be doing the next video in this series. Will be me showing you how to get this printer print ready. So maybe we'll need this leaflet over here for that. We get some filament. Probably not really high quality filament, but something to get you started, to test the printer at least. We have ourselves a filament holder. Yeah, this is a filament holder. It goes on top of the printer, and a filament sensor, which is yeah, wobbly. I noticed in some videos about this printer that this... yeah, this is how that filament sensor is mounted. Peculiar, but I'm sure it'll work. Then we've got, this must be the user interface, the display, touchscreen display. And that is an upgrade to the non-pro version. So this is the S1 Pro. And the non-pro version has a knob over here. I guess it's not a touchscreen for the non-pro version, even though some spec sheets say the non-pro version comes with a touchscreen. I don't think it does. Then this is definitely an upgrade to the non-pro version, a fully metal print assembly thing. For instance, this part over here and this housing is plastic on the non-pro version, where it's fully metal on this pro version. Cool. And filament or the bed sensor for the bed leveling over here. I think the non-pro version also has that sensor, right? Tell me in the comment section below. And okay, instructions manual, instructions guide I should say. Should come in handy, even though I already have an Ender-3, the original version, and I've never opened the manual, so yeah. Okay, and some stuff to hook things up, tools and such, and yeah, the toolkit, the regular toolkit, some Allen keys which we will need to assemble the printer, and a wire snipper. Okay, very nice. And is that it for this layer? No, part of the spool holder. And what is this? A wire guide? I don't know. And a spatula. A spatula. I'm not sure why. It has a flexible bed, right? You shouldn't need this. Why do we get this? Oh well. Part of the standard Creality kit, I guess. Then is that it for this layer? I think it is. Yeah, that's it for this layer. Okay, then we get to the upper structure of our printer. There we go. So this printer is basically 50% built when you receive it, right? This is the upper part, and top structure is all screwed together already. You just need to screw this part to the base of the printer. Yeah, which I will show you in my assembly and getting the printer ready video. But yeah, this looks nice. Definitely an upgrade to the Ender-3 I have. It looks far more like a finished product, right? Non-exposed inners of the rails. Very, very nice. And on my Ender-3 I had to assemble this part as well. So yeah, nice, looks good. And okay, power cord, what kind? Yeah, I got a European power cord. I ordered it from the European warehouse, right? So European power cord, and you can obviously order this printer with other power cords. And I'm thinking that we got one part left, and that's the base of the printer. So yeah, let's see if I can get it out without embarrassing myself too much. How? Oh, yeah, I can get to it. Okie dokie. And that's everything from the box. So let's get rid of that box. Hot cheeky day. We've got ourselves a printer base. Yeah, and so this print bed, this removable print bed, magnetic as well, including fingerprints from someone. Yeah. Okay, so this is a different material than on the non-pro version. This is an upgrade. Yeah. Cool, that's definitely one of the more important upgrades. Another upgrade that I don't see a lot of reviewers mention is insulation at... Yeah, that's very hard to show you, but there's insulation at the bottom of the print bed, and that should help in heating things up, heating the bed up, that is. Yeah, insulation will limit the heat loss from the bottom of this print bed. Also, and that's almost maybe a downgrade from the non-pro version, this enclosure plastic. Yeah. I know from some videos that this printer is a little bit less silent than the non-pro version because of this base. Obviously, I bought me this pro version because of its heat capabilities. It can print at higher temperatures, has a metal head. That was the main attraction to me. That metal head should make the prints more precise. Okay, also if you get this printer, be wary of this. This cord getting snagged behind this stepper motor. You can instantly see it, right? When your bed runs forward, this cable can get snagged behind. So yeah, do something to prevent that. Maybe bend it outwards like so overnight with some tape, so it'll stay, because will it return to its original position? Yeah, that's definitely something to be wary about. Okay, so another upgrade from the non-pro version is this handle. Yeah, okay, a handle. Yeah, and our upper structure now has an LED light bar. That's an upgrade from the non-pro version. Very nice. Yeah, definitely a nice feature. Maybe you want to make videos of your prints, or well, have a better view of what you're doing while working on your printer. That should help you out. So this is basically what you see here now on the table, the most of the printer, right? And again, I'll do a short video on how to assemble the printer, coming up shortly. And yeah, what more can I tell you? Yeah, so The filament you get, that's always the same with Creality. You get some filament, I'm not sure. Okay, and this is kind of an oversized spatula that you don't need because your print bed is flexible and yeah. Okay, yeah, so and this definitely is one of the parts of the reason why I ordered me the Pro version. A nice touchscreen without a knob. I never really liked the user interface of the Ender-3 with that knob, so I'm happy to now have a touchscreen. But again, this is for me the main attraction, that full metal direct drive. Obviously that's definitely an upgrade from the printer I now have, the Ender-3, but compared to the non-pro version, completely metal print head. Very, very nice. Yeah, so that was the unboxing. Again, like promised, a good old-fashioned unboxing, and I will be doing more videos on this printer coming up. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.